Hello all, welcome to Million Designs, your one-stop destination for Kanjivaram sarees. Our first saree today is orangish pink with navy blue combination. It is half and half style, a very unique design in the border. It has got floral motifs in golden zari and thin zari lines all through the bottom part of the saree. It has also got small temple border above the navy blue. A very unique saree in half and half style. The price of this saree is 10,950. Our next saree is another one of a kind in lemon yellow and light green combination. It has got rich weaving with green and golden zari all through the body and a unique border at the bottom side of the saree with the mango motifs. There is plain on the other side of the saree without any border. The price of this saree is 15,400. Next saree is a traditional combination with yellowish green and maroon border. A very beautiful contrast combination and has got retapeti border on the maroon. It has got golden zari booties on the body and a rich grand pallu in golden zari. The blouse and pallu are in the contrast maroon color. The price of this saree is 15,400 and has been used 2 grams pure gold zari. Our next saree is a beautiful violet color with a shimmering golden zari woven all over the body. It has got small, very small, minute booties on the body and a unique border in the same golden zari. The price of this saree is 13,980. Lovely color and beautiful saree. Next comes borderless style in light green combination. The motifs are not woven in golden zari here. It has been used maroon and black silk thread. No golden zari in the body, but only rich pallu is woven in golden zari. Beautiful saree at a beautiful price, 8,890. Next saree is also another borderless style. A very beautiful motifs in leaf design. Very trendy motif design actually, and it has got contrast pallu in grey. Navy blue with grey combination, a very elegant combination and very unique too. The price of this saree is 8,890 again. That's the pallu and the plain blouse piece in the same grey color. Our next saree is beautiful contrast combination of mustard yellow and black. It has got a very unique border with lines in the black and also golden zari booties woven on the body. The zari used in this saree is 2 grams pure gold and the price of the saree is 17,700. Our next beautiful saree is navy blue with teal blue combination. It has got fully woven with golden and silver zari in check pattern on the body. A very trendy pattern and has got traditional borders on either side of the saree. Subtle golden zari weaving on the pallu as well as the saree, and the zari purity is 3 grams pure gold in this saree. The price is 19,700. Our next saree is a very unique saree in borderless style. It has got a trendy pattern woven all through the body with golden and silver zari as well as silver thread of navy blue and teal blue. Very unique. Once in a while we get this very trendy pattern, and it has got rich woven pallu in golden zari and chakra motifs on the border. The price of this saree is 13,200 and this saree is partly pallu style. Next is a bright beautiful color in orange with golden zari weaving all through the body. It has got richly woven border as well as body in shimmering golden zari. The whole saree will be in the single color of orange. The price of this saree is 13,990. Next is also the similar kind but a little different design in different color, magenta. The border is different, but it is full saree richly woven in golden zari like before. A very unique new pattern now in the market in Kanjivaram sarees. We have got large collection in this pattern actually in different beautiful colors. The price of this saree is 13,990. Next is a beautiful borderless in sea green and navy blue combination. It has got very trendy motifs in golden zari, silver zari as well as navy blue thread woven. The beautiful motifs has got a tree with full of birds, very intricately beautifully woven in borderless style, richly woven pallu and a plain navy blue blouse. The price of this saree is 8,890. Our next saree is traditional saree with temple border, navy blue and light green combination. It has got golden zari checks on the body and a bavanchi border in the borders as well as in the big green border. The temple border gives a beautiful look. The price of this saree is 11,250. Now comes lots and lots more in borderless style. Light green with teal blue combination, golden zari motifs on the body. A very subtle combination of light green and teal blue, golden and silver zari motifs. Many different color combinations we have got in borderless. Each of them has the same price of 8,890. Next borderless saree is navy blue and grey combination. Same combination just a while we have seen before but different motifs. Golden and silver zari motifs of swan, that is Hamsa, a very unique. Richly woven pallu in golden zari. The blouse will also be the contrast grey color in plain. Price will be 8,890. Next is the borderless in mustard and dark purple combination. Very beautiful combination. It has also got golden zari motifs woven in peacock. Also the patti of the saree has got piping of dark blue, which is same as that of the pallu, golden zari weaving. A beautiful stunning color combination of mustard yellow and purple. The price of the saree is 8,890. Next one is teal blue combination with a very contrast orangish pink pallu and blouse. The motifs are mango motifs with golden and silver zari and richly woven pallu in the contrast. Another beautiful combination. That's how it looks with the blouse piece, pallu and the body. The price is 8,890. Next is carrot pink with green combination. This also has got beautiful motifs in golden and silver zari. You can take a closer look of them. Orangish pink and green combination. Every saree is so beautiful, right? Because of the color combinations they have used. The price of this saree is 8,890. The next saree is mustard yellow with navy blue combination. It has got thread woven motifs of birds all through the body. Very trendy motifs. and rich grand woven pallu or in navy blue. Price of the saree is 8,890. Next comes the last saree in today's episode, carrot pink, that is orangish pink, with the trendy motifs in golden and silver zari. The pallu is a different color, grey. Yes, bright and subtle color combination, very beautiful. Price of this saree is 8,890. Hope you liked our collection today. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.